Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, everyone, from the live stream. And today, we will be reading, like I will be studying more about printing in Golang because I was just going through index of a course and I just got to know about these. Uh, that there is another method of printing, that is printf, and we didn't cover the format specifier in the previous video, so I will be kind of updating this blog post with the correct, like what are the, okay, you are not able to see the screen, but anyways, let's get started with this one. And as mentioned in the thumbnail, that we will be reading about a few examples of the format specifier. So yeah, let's go. Let me switch back to the streaming mode. Okay, this is not the one. This is the one I was talking about. Perfect. Cool. So we know what println is so far. Okay, okay, okay. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Hmm. Let me just check the branches meanwhile. Git branch. It's day 7 actually. Let me update it here. Perfect. Git checkout master. Cool. We have day 07. Yeah, it's fine. Master. Cool. So now, okay. So why I'm falling to sleep? Always happens when you study. Day 07. So let me give you a quick overview that basically println is a method of fmt package that we use to print. Similarly, we have another method to print, which is printf basically. So let me start with the basic program for the same. Printf.go. As usual, we have to define it as package name. Package main, because we want to execute this file. it's not a library or anything. Then we of course going to import the package named as fmt, because printf is a method coming from fmt library. Now func is the keyword to define a function, and we will be defining the function main. So here I'm directly going to like just print hello words with the help of printf method. Printf, okay, my bad. It's a module, it's a method of fmt. So fmt dot printf. I think it's a capital, we can test it. And hello world. Cool. Now let's try it here. Go run day07 printf.go. Okay, I guess it's print p in printf is capital. Yeah, perfect. It's working fine. Now here's the difference between print and printf, that there is no /n added by default in case of printf. So we have to add it ourselves, and yeah, it's pretty good. Next thing, what are the other things which we tried in printf actually? Okay, we only tried hello world. Then we tried some escape sequence. Do of course printf also support escape sequence, that's why I'm able to use the /n. Then what else do we have? Okay, in case of a new line, we have to define /n by ourselves. That is not a functionality of printf, you can say. Then yeah, I don't think there is much difference in printf and println apart from that. So let me just update it here. Println, I have to update that as well. And so println and has print up actually. It's a method provided by the package that is used to display things on the console. It is little difference than the println. Let me add perfect. This does sounds way better. printf in Go. Now what we can do is so actually now it's the concept of format specifier, and I guess it will be nice if I will be covering it in the println itself. That is what I'm thinking at this point of time. And I think for that I have to update this name as well. Then I have to update it in all the what can I say, live streams. No issues, we can do that. But let me update it here. It's day 7, and let me grab this copy. I can just grab the ID, that will be the much better solution. Okay. Okay. Just give me the string body. Perfect. Before going to escape sequence, I guess I can cover this topic in here as only. Hashtag. Okay. This will be like format specifiers. Come on. So format specifier basically stands, as the name suggests, specifies. So format specifier basically specify that what kind of data you are going to print. What I mean by that is, let's say you are trying to print a number, like it's a like 2 plus 2 is 4, something like that. So 4 is a number. If you want to deal with multiple data type printing in a single statement, in those case format specifier will help you a lot. We'll be doing some examples here, but let's write the definition so far. Format specifier the helps us come on dude us in printing multiple in printing multiple data type in a single statement. They are, I guess that's enough. What actual definition can be very, like, these basically specify what kind of, these specify type of data we are using. in the statement. And let's get started now. One of them is percent %d, I guess, for the integer. Then we have percent %s. Actually, how about we just look for these things in here? Specifiers. Do we have these things declared in the documentation? Hello, dude. Do we have it? No, 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 no. Okay, no problem. Specifiers in golang. I know a few, but it would be nice if we get a list of them. Okay, percent %s default format. Okay, D is for integer. Floating points numbers. So you are saying percent %f percent %z is one of them. Then we have what? For two base number, what I mean by B, I'm assuming it as binary, or it can be rune. T stands for boolean. Capital T stands for type. S stands for string, integer, string, float. Then small t stands for true, false, boolean. I guess there are more. There is a Q. There is Q. Okay, there are not. That's not the complete list. So V value is the default format. Writing, printing structure. So V is something I'm assuming is like a universal thing. You can pass anything and it will be there to the default value. Unicode point. Okay, here's a list actually. I guess C is for rule, but we will check. D for integer, O for octave. We will be covering the major one, like single quoted character literal. Yeah, I see the cues here. Lowercase, capital case. Oh my god, it has a lot of things. Unicode, because they have separate. Okay, these all are for integer only. Nice. For floating point, what we have is okay, E significant notification. For the scientific notations, actually, not notifications. What I can do is I can put a list of these things here. These are the general one. Integer, string, float, boolean, type. Q can be writing here will be the perfect thing, I'm assuming. And instead of here, I can just write all those things if you just want to go through them. D is covered, Q is covered. Okay, E, F. Small e, capital E, small f, capital F. So based on the use cases, you can use them, right? SQXX, easy thing, dude. %p stands for pointer. We will be covering it later. I mean, just adding it in here. So yeah, %v can cover all those things. Default one. Okay, is it working fine? Is my voice still audible to you all? Just checking the voice. Perfect. Okay, what do we have in here? Yeah, I guess that's all. That's pretty much we have in here. Okay. Ah, this is a nice documentation actually. Recursion in a course such as okay, I guess that's all. We have written the basic ones. So this specifier oh come on. I guess this is a common dude where that's you okay my bad. Okay, perfect. These are a few more specifier golang support.